In the early 2000s, the human genome was completed, and at the time, the scientific community understood full well the potential, but also the challenge of this new science. It was a calculated risk that this would bring benefits, and the provincial and federal government invested and took that risk. And today, the science has matured, teams have been built, infrastructure is ready, and the challenge for us is to stay the course and really realize the economic and social benefits of that investment. The most fundamental strength here is that the Quebec government over the years has had a very aggressive science policy that has built the infrastructure on which genomics was built. And the governments keep investing in that infrastructure, and that is a key asset that few regions of the world have, and we're very fortunate to have that behind us.
The transition from basic to applied research raises a number of challenges related to communications. One result of this is the huge diversification of target public, which requires to develop a much more strategic approach.
Legal services play a fundamental role in any organization that wants to position itself as a leader. Because of that, we have to offer legal and business services of the very highest standards. What this means for us is that we have to work in an open collaboration with our partners in taking into consideration their goals and their interests.
The key issue for us is to provide access to cutting-edge technologies to our researchers with the best quality of science, because essentially excellence in science is the key to success and to the competitiveness of researchers both nationally and internationally. The challenges are threefold: to maintain the highest possible level of quality for our researchers, to maintain our level of expertise with cutting-edge technologies, and also to network with our various partners to minimize the duplication and maximize the complementarity between the various technologies and professional expertise for the benefit of all. Our strength is our personnel and the variety of technologies that we operate. It is also the incredible talent of the researchers that we serve in areas such as human health, forestry, environment, fisheries, and agri-food. And it all stems from a tiny little molecule called DNA. And genomics is the search for practical applications.
Since Génome Québec was created, our teams have managed nearly $700 million in projects and created many technology centers.
Genomics has a tremendous potential to address concrete society issues. There is a great potential of application of genomics. Now we are going from knowledge generation to real application. And real application not only in human health, but also in the forestry sector, environmental sector, natural resources, agri-food sector. The challenge is that we're changing the way we're doing science. We are now not just focusing on fundamental research, but on real applications that will have a concrete socioeconomic impact that is measurable and that really will change the society. Our strength is our capacity to build a very solid team with many different expertise. My greatest satisfaction is to help Quebec scientists in their success. Their success is our success. My motivation is to be part of the genomic revolution. Same as people that were part of the computer revolution in the 60s, 70s, 80s. Now to be part of this big revolution that is completely changing our society is a great satisfaction.